Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.